Good day, everyone. I'm Meryl, and today we're gonna make pumpkin soup. Soup is very delicious. Every kid will love it. It's simple to cook. I'm not here with Superman because he's saving the world. And the ingredients you need are pumpkin, onion, water, chicken cube, and pork. So let's start. First, stir the pumpkin in the oil, then set aside. Then fry the pork until it's light brown. After we cook our pumpkin, we're gonna blend it with the water. We're gonna put this Okay, now we're gonna put our water. We're gonna put half of our water here. And then we're gonna put it in the blender. Put it here. After blending the pumpkin, saute the onion. Then put the pork, pumpkin puree, then put water. Stir it. Put the chicken cubes. Put fish sauce to taste. Let it boil. Check the consistency of the sauce. Hey guys, now we finished our pumpkin soup. Now we're gonna serve it. This soup is very delicious. Every kid will love it. The only ingredients you will need are, so let's get started. Pumpkin soup. So let's get started. Even kids will love it.